The PCI expansion cards are located below the PC's power supply. To remove or replace an expansion card from the system, first remove the side panel. Next, remove the retaining bracket on the left side of the expansion cards. To do so, detach the screw securing the bracket to the rear of the PC. Pull the bracket to the left. Before removing an expansion card, detach any connectors that run to other system components from the card. Pull on the edges of the expansion card to release it from the expansion slot. If installing a new expansion card into a previously unoccupied slot, use a screwdriver to punch out the metal slot cover. To replace an expansion card, carefully seat the card into the slot until it's secure. The expansion card bracket has two hooks that fit over two slots on the PC. Align the hooks onto the slots and slide the bracket into place. Reattach the expansion bracket screw.